So I am Dallas O'Hearn. I am a junior at Ball State. I only have two more semesters to go. I graduate in May of 2020. And my major is TCOM, telecommunications. Actually, video production is my concentration. And I am minoring in digital media. I just wanted to complement it with something that I think could help me with my TCOM degree. So I think a lot of online and digital stuff, especially the audio and the video, will really help me in the future because that's what I plan on doing. So I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana. I enjoy sports, mainly soccer. Go Colts, by the way, and Pacers. Huge fans of those. I do love making my own videos a lot. I work at a customer service place and I take calls for angry parents that complain about their child's senior photos. That's my job. It's pretty fun. Fitness is fun to me too. I can juggle three things at once. That's a weird fact about me. Media skills, video editing, I enjoy a lot. And also, I'm trying to get into audio. I've made a few songs before. I think they're absolutely garbage, but I think if I just keep on pushing, I'm learning a lot as I go. So you got to start somewhere. So I enrolled in this digital world course um, to, quite frankly, get better at my audio skills and mainly digital skills in general. I feel like there's a lot more I haven't discovered yet that can help me in my near future. And it's just a fun hobby for me, like sitting down, just making videos on my own, making tracks on my own, trying to make sound effects for my own home videos is always fun. And I just hope it really helps me improve in this future. So that's why I enrolled in this class. Hopefully, I do learn a lot, mainly on the audio and video side. And hopefully, I can get into the digital media course as well, because I am very intrigued in digital media and where it's going. So that's a little bit about me, and I will hope to see you soon, and I enjoy being in this class.